Hello students, so let us start with a new chapter of organic chemistry in your syllabus, and the name of the chapter is aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acids. So let us start with the introduction to aldehydes and ketones first. Both aldehydes and ketones belong to a group of organic compounds which are known as carbonyl compounds. So what are carbonyl compounds? Carbonyl compounds are the organic compounds which contains a double bond between carbon and oxygen atom. This functional group is known as carbonyl group. So if your carbonyl group on one side is attached with hydrogen atom and on the other side it is attached with alkyl or aryl group, then the compound which is generated is known as aldehyde. But if your carbonyl group on both these sides is attached to two alkyl groups which may or may not be similar, or two aryl groups, or one alkyl and other aryl group, then the compound which is formed is known as ketone. Now before learning the preparations and properties of aldehydes and ketones, let us first see their importance. Aldehydes and ketones are very useful in the synthesis of many products. They are either used as solvents or used as starting materials or as reagents. They also have other utilities. For example, formaldehyde is used in the preparation of bakelite polymer. A 40% solution of formaldehyde in water is known as formalin, which is used for the preservation of biological specimens. Aqueous solution of formaldehyde is also used as disinfectant. Another important aldehyde is benzaldehyde. Benzaldehyde, due to its bitter smell like almonds, is used in the preparation of many cosmetic products, including perfumes, soaps and shampoos. Another aldehyde, which is known as cinnamaldehyde, is obtained from cinnamon bark. It is used as flavoring agent in many chewing gums, candies, toothpaste and mouthwashes. An interesting application of cinnamaldehyde is in cats and dogs repellent spray. An important aldehyde is vanillin, which is obtained from vanilla beans. Vanillin is used as flavoring agent in many desserts and ice creams. Ketones are also very important for us, as most of the hormones of animals and humans contains ketonic functional group. For example, testosterone, which is a male hormone, and progesterone, which is a female hormone, both contains ketonic functional group. Another very important ketonic compound is camphor. Camphor is approved by FDA as a topical analgesic and anesthetic. It is also very popular for its insecticidal, antimicrobial and antiviral properties. So let us quickly revise first the nomenclature of aldehydes. This you have already learned in your class 11th. In the IUPAC system, the aldehydes are known as alkanals. The name of the aldehyde is derived by replacing the terminal E of the corresponding alkane by Al. Let us see few examples. As you can see in the first example, HCHO, there is only one carbon atom which corresponds to alkane methane. So replacing the terminal E by Al, we get methanal, and the common name of methanal is formaldehyde. As you can see in the second example, there is CH3CHO, which means there are two carbon atoms which corresponds to alkane ethane. Replacing the terminal E by Al, we get ethanal, and the common name of ethanal is acetaldehyde. And in the third example, you can see CH3CH2CHO. So three carbon atoms corresponds to propane. Replacing the terminal E once again with Al, we get propanal. And the last example is of 5 carbon atoms, giving you pentanal. Now let us see the nomenclature of ketones. In the IUPAC system, the ketones are known as alkanones. The name of the ketone is derived by replacing the terminal E of the corresponding alkane by ONE. Now, as you can see in the example number 1, there is CH3COCH3. So, total 3 carbon atoms corresponds to alkane propane. By replacing the terminal E with ONE, we get propanone. Please remember this, propanone is also known as acetone. Now, in the second example, you can see CH3CO, CH2, CH3. So, total 4 carbon atoms corresponds to alkane butane. Replacing E by ONE, we get butanone. In the third example, you can see CH3, CH2, CH2, CO, CH3. So total 5 carbon atom corresponds to alkane pentane. But since ketonic functional group is present on carbon number 2, we will name it as pentane 2-on. In the fourth example, you can see there is CH3, CH2, CO, CH2, CH3. Here the ketonic group is present at the third position. So the name of the ketone is pentane 3-on. Isomerism in aldehydes and ketones. In addition to chain isomerism and positional isomerism, aldehydes and ketones show functional group isomerism. Aliphatic aldehydes and ketones are the functional group isomers of each other. As you can see in the example, propanal and propanone both have molecular formula C3H6O. Both have molecular formula similar, but as you can see from their structures, they have different functional group. One is aldehyde and the second one is ketone. So with this we complete the introduction of aldehydes and ketones. Now let us start with the preparation methods for aldehydes and ketones.